Hello, I'm Sagar. Today I will tell you about some important things about CostX, how we're gonna introduce new things to our CostX, new drawing, all these kind of stuff. So let's open our CostX. So it will show like that in the starting view. So I've already make one file, so I will start from the initial stage now. So firstly, to insert a new file in the CostX, we will go to File section. It will show up like that. And to introduce the new file in this one, we have to click on the New section. It will give us a lot of options to put the building properties here, the name, building code project, building type. So we have ACTS building type. So it's gonna ask for a lot of details here. We have to put in this one, then click on Insert. As I've already make one file for me to view, so I'll just directly go for cancel option and start with my file. So that's my file. So that's the section that show up in the initial stage. So I will just go for dimension view because I have to add the drawings in my project. Firstly, to add the drawing in a project, I have to go to drawing section, click on the drawing tab. After this, to add the drawing, I have to click on the add. So to directly go into my OS in my PC, so I have to add annexures 1. So I will click on this one. There are a lot of page in action 1, so I have to write the page name here as well. It will make the thing easier for me. So I can include any page from here. I can use shift and add how many pages I want to add. As I have already added a lot of pages that are needed in my project, so I will just cancel it for now. So now done this part, now our calibration part, how we're going to do the calibration in the CostX. So for calibration, there are two types of calibration in CostX. First is x-axis and y-axis. That show up in the drawing tab as well. For the calibration, like this is 2420, it should be 2420 in the calibration as well. We just go for y-axis or x-axis, whatever it is. Then we can just do, like this is already calibrated drawing, so I don't need to calibrate anymore. After calibration part, we have to go to dimensions, and to add a new dimension you have to click on this tab, add. Now it's asking for a lot of details from here, dimension group properties, name and the folder. I have already made a lot of folders here. You can see concrete, doors, external wall finish and so on. I can click any and make a new as well. I have already made a lot of things here. So I will just go for any of the concrete or doors ones. So you can show a lot of sections in here. After putting the dimension, I will just moving further towards our workbook view. And going towards the workbook view, it's taking a bit time. I will open my GFA. So after doing a lot of things in the dimension view, all the data show up in the workbook view. So I will firstly move towards our block work. That's inside the superstructure. I will just double click on the subtotal. After that, it show up my block work. So that's my block work 228. That's 200 millimeter thick block work masonry walls. And I put up this data from this section. Masonry walls, external block work. These three kind of things I have done in my assignment. So for the project, I will just, if I gonna order for the details, I will just double click on this thing. It will show up like that. And if I wanna see the exact calculation, that's our calculation for the block work. So there is cement block with mortar, all the things that required in our block work, like labor, bricklayer, plants, and the overhead profit included as well, 0.110%. So in the final stage, it comes like that. And also this page includes the total and the subtotal as well. And our block work show up in the last as well, 12,364. Subtotal is here, total is here. Just go back. And now we're gonna do our report printing. So for the report, we just go here can you pause it? After the works in the workbook, I will just print out my file. So first I'll go to reports and I have to generate the things here. Then before printing our report, I will do one preview section for my view. I will just view it, preview it once before doing all the things. I have to click OK in here. So now here it's showing my report after RIB. So all the preliminaries, site work, block work, everything is here in the report. So that's 23 pages consist of this report. So this is a simple step that you can just generate your project report. So that's the easy one. Thanks so much for guys for watching the video. Have a good one.